You need to keep your property secure, but when you need to share access with others, go beyond the status quo and choose a solution that masters both. The next generation of lockboxes by Master Lock offer next-level ease of use and versatility. This begins with double the storage capacity to fit many sizes of keys, fobs, and cards. An integrated bin neatly secures items to prevent jamming when closing the door. The innovative design showcases large dials that are easy to read, grip, and turn, and allows for a quick one-step opening operation. In addition, the durable weather-resistant cover snaps closed to block the elements. And the removable shackle allows you to place your lockbox in a convenient and secure location. For even greater security, add a key tether to prevent lost keys. And for maximum versatility, choose the removable cable model for use in a wide range of locations. Upgrade how you share access with the next generation of lockboxes by Master Lock.